I'm just about to make a video, a real short, quick video probably, just to show you how crazy these folks be driving out here. And this is gonna have me on precautions to go ahead and be extra careful out here in this Friday evening / afternoon traffic. Cause you see is that truck is almost going down the embankment. So I can only imagine how it happened. Well, people be driving stupid out here. Super stupid. There go the tow truck, man. So one of them is about to get towed up out of here in the next few minutes. But at least I caught it to see how much damage got done. And you probably can see it enough where you can see it's a pretty good damage on each truck. And both of them is trucks, so you know there was a good smack. And they probably was going a pretty decent speed. But as you can see, one of them got knocked towards going down the embankment. And I know his ass was probably like, damn, I'm about to go down the embankment. And I know that scared the shit out of his ass or her ass or whoever the hell it is. But that white truck got smacked pretty good. And most likely it's going to be totaled out. Now the truck going down the embankment, it can be saved. But of course, sometimes they still total them out. But anyway, like I said, one of them, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it off right now. But now I'm going to look at it a few minutes on the video because I can even look at it later on. But it's about to be the main one that was damaged the worst is about to be towed away. All right.